Okay, you're welcome back to Grand Skills International Catering Institute. My name is Oge Chinweke. Today I'll be showing you how to make vegetable salad. So our vegetable salad today, the things I'm going to be using is my cabbage. I'm using the cabbage, then green beans. I have my peas here, green peas already boiled. If you are using the processed one, you don't need to boil it. But if you are using the fresh one, what you have to do is simply boil with a little salt so that it will be soft. Then I have my baked beans here and two boiled egg and also carrots. I'll be using carrots for this food. I'll be using cucumber and the mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise of your choice, any one of your choice, anyone you think fit, you can use it. Now the vegetables, I'm going to use my vinegar to wash them. So whenever you're washing vegetables, it's always advisable to use some amount of white vinegar to wash in order to remove the germs in it. So the water I'm using here is warm water, not cold water. I'm using warm water to wash the vegetables. Make sure you wash your vegetables very well to be clean. So the green beans, I'm going to wash it as well in the same warm water. I'm also going to wash my cucumber. Wash it very well. Then my carrots. First of all, I'm going to scrape the back. After scraping, I'll also wash it with warm water. Okay. Scraping the back of the carrot, I washed it with warm water and vinegar. So I'm going to grate it. All right, this is my green beans. I'm going to cut it in cubes. All right, as I'm cutting, you see that I'm removing the head and the tail of the green beans. Just remove the head like this and remove the tail before you cut. after cutting my green beans, I'm going to cook it. Just put it in the pot and cook it for like 5 minutes to soften it a bit. Add my water. So add water inside, just water. While that is cooking, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut my cucumber. You cut it to your desired shape. After cutting, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut my cabbage. Remember, it's already washed. I'm going to cut it, shred it, tiny pieces.
Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.
Then the next thing I'm going to do is to slice the egg. If you have egg slicer, better. But if you don't have, just use a sharp knife and cut your egg. Make sure that cut it to look very nice and attractive. So our green beans is boiling. I'm going to bring it out, then sieve out the water inside. So I'm going to sieve it out. Pour water to it. Now our vegetables are complete. This is our cabbage. We have already grated it, cut it into tiny pieces. Then we have our green peas here. It's already cooked. I told us if you want to cook it, use salt water. Just put a little salt inside water and cook it. Make sure that it's soft so that you can be able to chew it. And these are our baked beans. We have our cooked egg, our green beans. Green beans is also optional. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Then we have our grated carrots. Then we have our cucumber. In this salad, we are using mayonnaise. This is the one we are using. Remember, I told us if you are watching your vegetables, try and make sure that you use white vinegar for it. So this is vegetable salad. What you do is just to go ahead and mix everything together. It does not really have a particular order you mix. Just make sure everything comes in together. If you are not serving it immediately, you don't need to mix the mayonnaise if you are not eating it immediately. So what you do is to add everything. And you mix. You can add your fresh tomatoes. Why I didn't add fresh tomatoes? Most times it brings out water. So that's why I don't like adding it. But you can use it to garnish to make it look attractive if you are presenting it. So if you're ready to eat, you can serve with your mayonnaise. So that is our vegetable salad. It's ready. You can use it to eat your fried rice, your jollof rice. You can also eat it like that. So this is our vegetable salad ready to eat. This is Grand Skills Catering Institute. Thank you for joining us. My name is Chef Ogechi. Next time we'll be bringing to you so many amazing food that you will like. Feel free to share this program, tell people, tell your friends to join us. I bet you are not going to.
Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time, and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.